Hello, my name is Karlis from the company Multiclips.
Mēs esam šodien Agria rūpnīcā.
Today we are at the Agria factory in Germany and we would like to introduce you to our new product, the Agria 9700D machine. Ken from Agria will be helping us out today and showing us how it works.
Say hello to everyone.
Hello.
Yeah.
We will be testing how it works, how it drives. So let's get started. The Agria 9700D is based on exceptional technology. It is a remote-controlled all-electric tool carrier or compact tractor designed based on Agria's more than 8 years of experience designing and manufacturing hybrid power-driven 9600 and 9500 radio-controlled grass and brush mowers. 3 electric motors drive the 9700D tracks and attachments. It is powered by the latest battery technology, and with each charge the batteries will provide the machine with power up to 5 hours. That is the average amount of time that pro-grade machines are in the active phase of use during each working day. The Agria 9700D is fully remote controlled. You can fully control the position of attachments, adjust attachment angle and height, and put it in the so-called floating position. Attachment positioning speed is also controlled via remote. The machine is applicable for slope inclination up to 50 degrees. It is designed to work with Cat 1 and Cat 2 3-point hitch attachments, as well as with specifically designed adapters that allow you to work with Agria one-axle tractor specific attachments, such as sickle bar movers, brooms and so on. You will be able to use front and rear mounting attachments with the Agria 9700D, and the machine has been designed with special attention to the safety of its use. Depending on attachment installed, signal lights will indicate the driving direction once you press the drive joystick to the forward position, for example. Switching between front and rear mount attachment drive positions is also designed with safety in mind. It is designed in such way as to avoid accidental or unexpected switching between attachment drive directions, left or right. Switching is a sequence of pushing buttons on the remote, and the operator will be informed about the chosen rotation of the attachment and the driving direction with the signal lights and information on the remote display. There are optional auxiliary hydraulic outlets will drive optional attachment accessories if needed. Not only is the use of tractor made as straightforward as possible, but also maintenance time and costs are kept at minimum. Daily maintenance will involve cleaning the cooling fan filter and taking care of just 3 grease points. Thank you for your attention for now. That was a very short summary of what we wanted you to learn about Agria 9700 series fully electric radio controlled tool carrier today. Thank you. Bis zum nächsten Mal.